Hello everyone, welcome back to Miss Morning Muse, your friendly space to learn English easily and naturally. Today's topic is one of the most important and useful for every English learner: how to introduce yourself in English. Self-introduction is the first step in every situation. Meeting new people, starting a class, attending an interview, or joining a new workplace. In this video, I will help you speak with confidence and fluency. We will go step by step from your name and background to your hobbies, personality, and goals. I will explain the meaning of each sentence and give examples so that you can practice along with me. By the end of this lesson, you will be ready to introduce yourself in clear, beautiful English. When you meet someone, always begin with a friendly greeting. A simple smile and polite tone make a great impression. You can say, "Hello, good morning," or "Hi, it's nice to meet you." Then tell your name. "My name is Rusha." You can also say, "I am Rusha." If you are meeting someone formally, like in a classroom or interview, it's better to say, "Good morning, my name is Rusha De. It's pleasure to meet you." The key is to sound confident and warm. Practice speaking slowly and clearly. Next, you can mention your place or city. For example, "I am from Bengaluru. It's a beautiful town of India." You can also add one short sentence about your place, like, "It's known for its culture and kind people." If you live somewhere else, now say, "I am originally from Hyderabad, but currently I live in Bengaluru." This gives a nice flow to your introduction. The third part is about your education and background. If you are a student, you can say, "I am a student of English literature at the University of Hyderabad." If you have completed your studies, say, "I completed my master's degree in English literature from the University of Hyderabad in 2014. If you want to keep it simple, you can say, "I have studied English literature and I love learning new languages." Adding one personal sentence like your passion or interest in your field makes your introduction sound more genuine. Next part is about your work. If you are working, you can say, "I have been working as an English teacher for more than 10 years. I teach English to students of different age groups and I really enjoy helping them become confident speakers." If you have multiple roles, then add them one by one. Apart from teaching, I also work as a content writer. I create educational and creative content for different platforms. For someone looking for a job, you can say, "Currently I am looking for part-time writing opportunities to use my language skills creatively." Remember, keep your sentences short and clear. Avoid long pauses or too much detail. Now, let's talk about something fun. Your hobbies. Hobbies show your personality and make conversation lively. You can say, "In my free time, I love reading storybooks and writing short articles. I enjoy watching educational videos on YouTube. Sometimes I record spoken English lessons to help learners online. I also like spending time with my family and my little daughter. If you like music or travel, you can say, I love listening to soft music and I enjoy visiting new places whenever I can. Remember to speak with emotion. When you talk about something you love, your tone becomes naturally expressive. This is a powerful part of your self-introduction, which is describing your goals and dreams. You can say, my goal is to continue improving my English and inspire others to do the same. In the future, I would like to write a book or create more online lessons to help learners speak confidently. I believe learning English can open many doors for success. Always end your introduction politely. You can say, that's a little about me. Thank you for listening. It was great introducing myself. I hope you can learn from each other. Thank you so much for your time. If it's in a classroom, you can finish with, I am excited to be part of this group and learn together. Ending on a positive note leaves a strong impression. Now let's combine everything and listen to a full example. You can repeat after me. Hello everyone, my name is Rusha. I am from Bengaluru, a lovely town of India. I completed my Masters in English Literature from the University of Hyderabad in 2014. I have been teaching English for more than 10 years and I truly enjoy helping students improve their communication skills. Apart from teaching, I also work as a content writer, creating educational materials and creative articles. I am a friendly and patient person, and I always believe that learning should be fun. In my free time, I love reading, writing, and spending time with my family. My goal is to inspire more learners to speak English with confidence. That's all about me. Thank you for listening. Before we finish, here are a few quick tips to help you sound natural. Speak slowly and clearly. Don't rush your words. Fluency is about smoothness, not speed. Pause after each idea. This gives your listener time to understand you. Use your body language, smile and maintain eye contact. It shows confidence. Record yourself. Listening back helps you notice pronunciation mistakes. Use mirror practice. Stand in front of a mirror and speak. It improves your confidence and expression. If you practice this daily, you will sound more fluent and confident every week. So friends, that's how you can introduce yourself in English confidently and naturally. Remember, your self-introduction is your first impression. So make it positive, clear and real. If you found this lesson helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Miss Morning Muse and share it with your friends who are learning English. Keep practicing, keep smiling and keep growing in your English journey. This is Miss Morning Muse signing off. See you soon in the next video.